Hi, my name's Andrew de Souza, and I'm the newest member of the Prepskills consulting team. This week, I am graduating from Harvard University, which I didn't think would be a phrase that I would ever say, especially 5 years ago when I was going through the college application process myself. Coming from a public school in Canada, the whole process of applying to colleges, especially US colleges, is very daunting. Even some of the terminologies such as SATs and Common Apps can be intimidating. So my goal in helping students and parents is just to remove the feeling of being lost, and sharing the advice that I've learned through the process of both applying myself and then being a student at a college in America. Most importantly, I want to stress the importance to both the parents and the students of the process of applying to colleges, because done properly, not only can it help a student get into a wonderful university, but it can teach a student a bit about themselves as well. I'm really looking forward to meeting all the parents and students, and I hope you guys join me on this first step to achieving your dreams.